All right, so we're here at Zion Brewery. We're getting ready to install some more fiberglass reinforced panel, otherwise known as FRP. This is the fiberglass reinforced panel here. We've cut out all of the rotten or wet drywall and put on din shield, a wet location drywall. And so we're going to install the FRP behind the boiler and behind the kettles. We're going to install the FRP along this wall, the door, the back wall here, and then over the top of the boiling kettles. And you can see here we've installed this last year. This is just basically a wainscot of FRP. Behind there you've got the water location drywall, and then we also use silicone and seal it down to try to build a water barrier just to keep any water from getting in behind there. And so we got it installed all along here. We installed it all along back there. Bring you down here and kind of see what it'll look like. So we've got FRP installed all behind these kettles and all along this wall. So it comes in two different styles. This is a orange peel style. It gives you a little bit of a rough texture. We can also special order it in a solid. In a restaurant application, we generally install the solid panel. Makes it easier to clean. And this brewery, the orange peel works out really well. So I will let you see what it looks like when we're done. And if you've got a restaurant, let us know if you would like us to come in and install FRP. We also do stainless steel wall coatings. So give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.